Welcome student to my channel Educate Maths and Science. Today I discuss the continuation of the shares and dividend from the I.C.S.E. board class 10 from the M.A. Lagrange book, the exercise number 3. Edition is 2025. So three sums are there. Sums number 14, exercise 3. Sum number 14, 21 and 22. It's a very easy sum. You know all this problem. The concept must be clear. Okay, let's start. Okay. So which one the sum here? Suppose the sum is a man invest. What is the given data? A man invest rupees this. So total investment is rupees 45,000. No problem. Okay, you write down this. A man invests this in 15%. So dividend percent is equal to 15%. Okay. Rupees 100 share, so that means nominal value or face value is 100. Rupees 100, that means this goes to the company's fund. Quoted means actually the market value is rupees 125. That means you brought one share rupees 125 from the market. Okay, when the market value of this share rose, new market value is rupees 140. Okay, he sold some share just to raise means the income 84. This is the given data actual. So what's first you calculate, this is the total investment and that is the market value is this. What is the number of shares he bought? Number of share is the here, number of share. Total investment, this is 4530. And what is the market value of one share? This is 125. Okay, so this is, if you just cut, this is 45 into actually 1000. Very easy way. 125. So this is 8 actually. So 5 into 8, just 4, 36. 5 is 4, 36. Then 360 is the number of shares he bought. First, a man invests rupees 45,000 in 15%. 100 rupees is a face value, quoted 125. Okay. So number of share first you bought. Relax mode. Just you do the sum. Don't need any remember of formula. This is the number of shares he bought. But when the market value of this share rose this, he sold some share. The just raise of number of shares. So okay, let he sold some share, let X number of shares he sold. And what is the market value when raised? This is 140. So X into 140, that is the selling price. If 140 rupees, 140 is the one market price of now, and the number of shares he sold is X. So to get this, so this is actually 8400. So what is the value of X? 8400. Very easy. This 60 shares. That means he sells 60 shares. Okay. Calculate one. The number of shares he still hold. Means hold still. Still hold. What is the total now? Number of shares 360 minus 60. So this is the answer, first answer. Okay. Very easy. 300 share already now they still hold because total number of share is 360. Out of these, the 60 shares he sold to raise the price, raise the amount 8400. So 60 number of shares is sold. So that is a still he hold 300 share. Okay. The dividend due to him on this share. The dividend means dividend is calculated on the total nominal value. What is the total nominal value? Total nominal value. This is number of shares hold 300 and the nominal value is 100. This is, and the total dividend collect, total dividend due. So this is 300 into 100, and what is the dividend percent? 15%. 15 by 100. So this is, so 3500. This is the answer, rupees. Okay, so this is the dividend due him to this shares because this 4500 is okay to you or not? Clear? Very interesting sum. No problem at all. Here is no need for any formula. You have to remember. If you forget this, no problem at all. They're very easy. This is total investment is 4500. And what is the market value of one share? This. So what is the number of shares? This, just to calculate, 360. Now, this is from the market. If you sell it from the market, 8400 is collected. What is the selling price? 140. Let X is the number. So 140 into X, that is the total collection is this. What is the number of share is sold? This is the X. X is 60. What is still hold? 360 is the total share. 60 is out. So 300 is hold. And on the basis of this, the dividend is collected. So dividend is collected on total nominal value, the company, in your company, not on the market value. So 100 into this is the total nominal value. Per share is 100. And now the 15% is division. You calculate 4500 is the due. This is the question, dividend due to him for the share. Okay. Thank you for the next sum. Okay. Is clear to you? Very interesting. Now the next sum. This is a very important question. What is, there is a two way you solve it. One is very interesting. Two company have shares, 7%, one company AB, suppose A and B, 7% dividend, rupees 160 nominal value, and here is assume the face value. First company, face value, assume this is 100, rupees 100. Market value, very interesting. Market value is rupees 116. Dividend percent, 7%. Okay. The first company. Two company have the shares, 7% dividend declared, market value is this, and the nominal value is this. And second company, nominal value is same, or face value is same, or rupees 100, no problem. In which, and this is 9%, and the market value is 145, and dividend percent is 9%. Okay, 9% dividend, that means if you invest rupees 100 in a company, you get rupees 9 as a dividend. Here is 7%. Very interesting. The deep knowledge is very important. 7% dividend, that means actually when you invest in a company in the nominal value is 100, then you collect a dividend 7. Okay. So now in which of the share would you invest be more profitable? দুটো, এটা একটা কোম্পানি, এর ফেস ভ্যালু হচ্ছে 100, nominal market value is 160, and dividend this. So nominal value 100, market value this. Okay. The question is in which company you invest, the more profitable, that means your return is greater. The return is high. Suppose let one share you bought. Let one share you bought by both company. তাহলে এখান থেকে হবে one share. So investment is 1116 into 1, that is investment is rupees this. But in the company, nominal value, total nominal value is 100. So dividend received 7, because 7%, rupees 7 dividend received. But what is your return? Actually you invest this. So 116, you get 7 by 116 and this is 100. What is the percentage of return? This is 700 by 116. 700 by 116. The calculation is 6.03% approx. Okay. This is the percentage of return if you invest one share in a company. Now the other. So this is investment is 145, but total nominal value for share is 100. This is a percentage, 9%. So dividend received or the income is 9. Okay, 9 is the, so you invest 145, your income is 9. What is the yield or the return? 140 out of 145 you get 9. 9 by 145 and in 100. So 9 into 100 by 145 is okay. Is okay. So this actually you calculate 6.20. That is a percentage of return percent. Actually, this is a return percent. So you say which one is the better investment? Here is the return percent is 6.03. Here is the return percent is 6.2. So this is a better investment. So if you just invest in a company in this investment, in this, so get the better investment. So what is your ultimate answer? In this second part, this is the better investment. Okay, here is the return is 6.03%, here is 6.2, this is the greater, so return is greater, so your better investment is here. Okay, so this is the way you just calculate. Very interesting sum. Okay, but the next question is very interesting. Here is the dividend percent is 7% and the face value is 100. We remember dividend percent 9 and face value is 100. But in that next question, that is very interesting. Okay, দেখো তোমরা কি is clear to you or not? Is clear to you? Now the same thing, but certain twist is there. Same thing. ওই জন্যই আমি দেখাচ্ছি certain twist is there here. Which is better investment? 6%. 6% this at eto. So nominal value rupees 100, no problem. Market value say rupees ato 120, no problem. And this is the dividend percent 6%. What is the meaning? 6% means if you just the nominal value is 100, so you get rupees 6 as a dividend. This is the meaning. The first. Second one, this is the nominal value at nominal value, that is the difference. Nominal value rupees 10, market value 15, rupees 15, and this is dividend percent, that is 8%. Here is also same meaning. When you invest rupees 100 in a company, you get nominal value 100, you get rupees 8 as a dividend. It's clear. Now suppose you buy one share. So first case, so investment is for one share rupees 120 and your dividend receipt is rupees 6. Okay, 6% because the nominal value is 100. If you invest, just bought as one share, rupees 120, but in your company, that is actually investment is rupees 100. Okay, on the basis of the 100, you get rupees 6 as a dividend. Now, what is the return? Return is out of rupees 120, you get 6, rupees 6. 6 by 120. So, 100, 6 into 100 by 120. Okay, 0 is cut. This is 2, so 5. Return percent is 5. Return percent is 5%. Return percent is 5. But now in the second case, buy one share. So investment, market value 15, rupees 15. Investment is 15. But in your company, actually, this get 10. And the dividend is 8%. That means actually rupees 8 you get as a dividend when you invest rupees 100 in a company. But in that case, you invest rupees 10 in a company. So, when 100 invest, you get rupees 8. 1 you get 8 by 100. When you invest 10, you get 0.8 rupees. That is actually your income as a dividend for one share. Okay, now what is the percentage of return? Return percent. You invest actually 15 here. Out of 15 you get rupees 0.8. 1 এ কত 0.8 by 15, 100 এ কত into 100. Now what is the calculation? 8 means 8 by 10 into this is 100 and this is 15 out. So 80, or you just out. This is 5, 2 and this is 3. 8 to the 16, 16 by 3. So 16 by 3, what is the percentage? 15, 1 point, this is 3, 9, this 5.33%. That is the percentage of return. This is the percentage of return. Here is the percentage of return is 5. So which one is the better investment? This one is the better investment. This one is the better investment. Is clear to you? This is the, what is the percentage of return? Here is 5% in the first case, and second case, what is the return percentage or yield? This is a 5.33. So it's greater. So second, if you just invest in the second part, this is a better investment. So 8% rupees 10 share at rupees 15. If you invest this is a better investment for that, because the percentage of return is greater here. Okay, this is the way, on the basis of the percentage of return. Clear to you? Very interesting sum. Okay, clear? Which one is the better investment? That means in which investment you get the better return. So better return here is 5%, here is 5.33%. Is the better investment here. Okay, so this is for today. If you understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you student. Thank you.